projector is a device that has normally been used in classes, especially in universities. It projects an image or video onto a screen or other flat surfaces. It utilizes the principles of optics and light to create a magnified image. There are different types of projectors such as digital projectors and slide projectors, with its own specific mechanisms. However, the basic principles remain the same, which is using light and specific type of lens called a projection lens or projector lens and optics to create a projected image.
For the instrumental design structure for the projector, we have 7 main components, which is the first is light sources. Projector uses light sources to generate bright light that will be projected onto the screen. Second is we have optical system. In optical system consists of lens, mirror and other components that manipulate and direct the light from the sources. Next, we have imaging device. This main component consists of 3 other components, which is we have LCD, liquid crystal display, DLP, digital light processing, and the last is L source, which is liquid crystal on silicon. And next is a color processing, which is to display full color image that can involve using color filters or color wheels to separate and recombine the light into the desired color. And for the next is projection lens. Projection lens is responsible for focusing and magnifying the image created by the imaging device. Next is cooling system. Projector generate heat during operation, so they are equipped with cooling system to prevent overheating. And the last for the instrumental design structure is control and connectivity. Projector feed the control interfaces and connectivity option to adjust setting or connect the video sources and sometimes support wireless connectivity.
This is how projector produce image from inside of the component of the projector. Okay, for more details, I already provided LED projector, each element inside the projector name for this slide. So I will present about the working principle of the projector. For the first one, projector have a light sources. It will typically use a lamp or LED as its light source. In some modern projectors, it may use laser technology, is employed for improve the brightness and color accuracy. So the basis of projector from the light sources will produce an image. Second one is optic. The light emitted by the source passes through a series of lenses and filtered within the projector. This component manipulates and control the light, ensuring that it's focused properly and produce a clear and sharp image. So the number 3 is the imaging system. The projector has an imaging system that processes the input signal, which may be contained analog or digital data. In this case, analog signal, the projector convert them to a digital format for processing. The imaging system typically consists of a micro display such as digital light and crystal display LCD panel. Number 4, color processing. It is to produce the accurate color. Projectors employ color processing technique. This involves adjusting the intensity and balance the primary colors such as red, green, blue, and so on to achieve a wide range of hues and shades. For number 5, projector lens. The processed image is projected onto a screen or surface using a projection lens. The lens focuses the light beams coming from the imaging system and expand them to cover a larger area. Creating a magnified image, the lens can be manually adjusted to control the size and focus of the projected point. The element number 6, which is screen, it is displayed on the screen or any suitable surface designed for projection. The screen reflects the light back to the audience, so the image appears bright and visible from the wider viewing angles. And the last one is number 7, control and connectivity. The projectors often come with various control options and connectivity features. It may built-in controls, remote controls, devices, or even smartphone. For example, you can use projector in various devices such as computers, DVD players, gaming consoles, or media streaming device such as HDMI, VGA, USB, and wireless connection.
Optic concept of a projector. The optic concept of a projector involves the fundamental optical principle and components that contribute to the creation of the projected image. This element works together to ensure the clarity, brightness, and color accuracy. Here are the key highlights of the optic concept of a projector. One is light source. Projectors employ a bright light source such as a lamp or LED to provide the primary illumination required for projection. The quality and intensity of the light source directly impact the overall image brightness. The second one is projection lens. The projection lens is a critical component that focuses and directs the light from the imaging device onto the projection screen. It determines the image size, clarity, and sharpness. High-quality lenses help minimize distortion and aberration, resulting in a clear and detailed image. The third one is imaging device. The projectors use imaging devices such as DLP chips or LCD panels to capture and modulate the light, creating the image that will be projected. These devices control the light at a pixel level, adjusting brightness and color to form the desired image. Number 4 is color management. Projectors employ various techniques for accurate color reproduction. This can involve color filters, color wheels which in the LP projectors, or color modulation using liquid crystal in LCD projectors to achieve the desired color output. Number 5 is optical path. The optical path refers to the paths the light takes from the source to the projection lens. It includes various optical components such as mirror, lenses, and filters, which help manipulate and direct the light to create the projected image. Number 6 is image processing. Projectors often incorporate image processing algorithms to enhance the quality of the projected image. This can involve color correction, noise reduction, image scaling, and other adjustments to optimize the visual output. And the last one is projector screen. The projection screen is the surface onto which the image is projected. It is designed to reflect the light uniformly and accurately, maintaining image brightness, contrast, and color fidelity. So, this is a diagram about the formation of image in slide projector. The concave mirror reflects light from bulb to a pair of condenser lenses. The condenser lenses direct the light through the slide or movie film to a projection lens. The projection lens moves or adjusted until a sharp magnified image is focused on the screen. The slide or film has to be put upside down and turned left or right to form a real image the right way up on the screen. Otherwise, the image formed on the screen is inverted both laterally and vertically.
I will talk about application of projector. First, education of projector. Projectors are extensively used in classrooms and lecture halls to display content such as presentation, videos, and interactive learning materials. They enable teachers to share information with a large group of students, simultaneously making this learning experience more engaging and immersive. Second, business presentation. Projectors are commonly employed in business environments for delivering presentations, training seasons, and conferences. They allow professionals to showcase their ideas, data, and multimedia content on a larger screen, enabling effective communication with clients, colleges, and stakeholders. And Third, home theater. Projectors are popular for creating a cinematic experience in the comfort of your home by projecting movies, TV shows, and video games into a large screen or a dedicated projection surface. They provide an immersive viewing experience that surpasses traditional TVs in terms of size and visual impact. And lastly, public display and advertising. Projectors are used for large-scale advertising and public display purpose. They can project image, videos, and interactive content onto buildings, screens, or other structures to attract attention and convey messages effectively in public spaces like shopping malls, museums, exhibitions, and outdoor events.
There are some limitations of projector. First, image distortion. Projector image may suffer from distortion, especially towards the edges of the screen. Some projectors may suffer from less distortion that can cause uneven sharpness across the image, resulting in parts of the image appearing stretched or compressed. Second, ambient light interference. Projectors are susceptible to ambient light interference. Bright ambient light in the room can wash out the projected image, leading to reduced image quality and diminished visibility.
In conclusion, the process of making a projector involves the use of optics to project image or videos onto a screen or surface. Optics play a crucial role in manipulating and directing light from the sources to create a sharp and magnified image. The design structure of a projector includes components such as lenses, mirrors, and imaging device, which work together to focus and shape the light, generate the image, and project it onto the desired surface. The choice of lens, whether it's a fixed focal length lens, zoom lens, short through lens, or ultra short through lens, depends on the projector, intended application, and the desired image size and throw distance. While projectors offer numerous functionalities and advantages, they also have limitations such as susceptibility and to ambient light, interference, limited contrast ratio, potential image distortion, and maintenance requirement. Understanding these factors can help users make informed decisions when selecting and using projectors for various applications.